In this tutorial, we'll create a singer-songwriter song using the AI music generator, Suno. First, go to Google, type Suno and press enter. From the search results, click on Suno and proceed to the Suno AI website. Sign up or sign in using your Discord, Google, or Microsoft account. Click Create and enter a text prompt into the song description field. We will use the text prompt singer-songwriter song about summer. Click Create, and Suno will generate 2 song variations based on our text prompt.
Sunshine on my face, feeling so alive. Running through the fields just like when I was 5. Cool breeze in the air, it's a perfect day. No worries on my mind, just wanna run and play.
Let's listen to the other variation.
A sunshine on my face, feeling so alive. Running through the fields just like when I was 5. Cool breeze in the air, it's a perfect day. No worries on my mind, just wanna run and play.
I preferred the first version. Click the like button, then click the 3 dots and select download to download the song as an audio file and a lyrics video. Our song is ready. Let's listen to it and watch the lyrics video.
Sunshine on my face, feeling so alive. Running through the fields just like when I was 5. Cool breeze in the air, it's a perfect day. No worries on my mind, just wanna run and play. Barefoot by the shore, sand between my toes. Waves crashing on the beach, dancing as it flows. Barbecue in the backyard, friends all around, sipping on lemonade. Love this summer sound. Oh, summer breeze, take me away to a place where worries just fade away. Oh, summer breeze, let's have some fun under the sun. We'll shine like gold in the sky.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.